Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another healthcare work from home job lead for you. I know a lot of you are wanting to be in the healthcare field. You've subscribed to me through some of my healthcare videos, so I always try to find these and throw these in. Today's job lead is from the company AShfield Engage. They are hiring a healthcare communicator data entry specialist. Now, a lot of this job is going to be data entry, but it is going to require a little bit of phone work. Just know that going in. This is remote for the United States, and if you're interested in applying, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box below. Now, it does say sometimes you may have to take some inbound phone calls and make some outbound phone calls, but they are looking for somebody to maintain excellent quality standards for all of their client programs. You'll be accurately transcribing and data entering information required by individual programs and correctly capturing the specific program databases. You'll have to exhibit high effective transcription and data entry skills when you're meeting your productivity expectations. You'll manage day-to-day activities of patient and healthcare provider support requests and deliverables across multiple communication channels, most of those being non-phone, fax, chat, email, but there may be the occasional phone call. You'll perform intake cases and capture all relevant information in their case management system. And you'll ensure timely and accurately processing of requests, including reviewing source documentation. You will also have to transcribe and document information received from different forms into the client databases. So majority of this is data entry. Best news is they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma. Although they always prefer a bachelor degree, the only thing required is that high school diploma. They want you to have great communication skills and great listening skills, someone who can work with Microsoft Word and Excel, and someone who is proficient in reviewing documents and entering information into a system off the documents, double checking yourself and making sure there are no errors. Of course, that is going to require multitasking skills. Now, of course, unfortunately, AShfield did not list the actual pay for the position in their job description. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did a little bit of digging on Glassdoor, and I found two different pages that listed a healthcare communicator at AShfield. The first one says the salary is anywhere from $51,000 a year to $64,000 a year. And the other one is listed at $51,000 to $53,000. So you can expect to at least make $51,000 a year, and that's going to be on the low end. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. And if this job lead was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that I am being helpful to at least someone. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.